So, BattleBorne versus Rival. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight!
Rival's up to
D2
speed.
get aggressive against the wall.
Oh, and there's a shot right there.
That's a
Rival.
beautiful
Another,
shot
and
from
another.
Rival.
Sending BattleBorne just flying across the arena.
This
Oh no, and it took out the mini-bots. Oh no, that
There
is
he
just
goes.
mean.
The mini-bot is done. It's toast.
Oh, why? Don't hurt the poor mini-bot. How could you?
Oh, the D2 kit doing what it's supposed to do. It's wedging them up against the wall.
Now BattleBorne's looking to get some payback for ruining his comrade. Oh, that just
Relentless
the
against
electronics
the
everywhere.
mini-bot. That seems to be the main point of contention here is that mini-bot.
BattleBorne running right into Brett. Brett appears to be taking a nap, so
BattleBorne's
down to
wedge
Rival
doesn't
versus
seem to be
BattleBorne.
scraping the floor anymore.
It's definitely running well. BattleBorne trying to get some shots in, trying to go after those wheels, but those are some solid wheels, being able to take all the shots.
Nice. BattleBorne finally got underneath him. Let's see if he can keep that momentum going. He's got him pinned into the corner.
BattleBorne taking Rival for a piggyback ride.
All right, that's the pin.
Now you can only pin your opponent for 10 seconds, and BattleBorne eventually lets him go, but it looks like Rival is stuck on one of its wedgelets there.
Oh,
Can
no.
it get off?
Rival's trying to get up. It's stuck on the wedge. It's got some movement, though. All right,
and
it's
it's
crab
back.
walking around. BattleBorne's got him pushed into the corner. This is how you fight a very powerful spinner.
Oh!
You keep
huge
him
hit
pinned,
there.
but
And another.
sometimes that's not enough. And now we have an upside down.
Oh,
Well, there goes
You
the rest
broke
of that
the
mini-bot.
camera.
Oh my goodness,
Oh.
this floor is so damaged from this match. Nice hit.
There's just pieces all over the place.
Beautiful sparks coming off BattleBorne right there. And
Oh,
BattleBorne
another
flipped
shot.
again, end over end. This
another.
fight is all aggression. We're less than a minute left.
And another. But BattleBorne still got full control, even though it doesn't have the mini-bot anymore. And
Beautiful flipped him end over end again. BattleBorne coming back at it.
BattleBorne trying to get to Rival. I think Rival might be having some drive issues. Might have a piece of the mini-bot stuck underneath him.
Yeah, that seems to be the issue. Some pieces of that mini-bot underneath Rival there, but he's still able to crab walk. That's still controlled movement. And now they're jockeying for position, trying to get those last hits in the last
Oh,
20
more
seconds
shots.
of this match. 15 seconds left.
Oh!
Whoa,
Almost
beautiful
hit the other
hit.
camera. Oh!
I
right
think
up
that
there.
we're getting a full call out for an encore here. Let's get that encore
Want
going.
the encore going?
Encore.
Encore away.
That's a beautiful hit right there. Let's see. Rival seems to be a little bit stuck.
Oh. Can it keep going? Trying to get across. Oh no!
Oh no, we seem to be a little bit stuck. Let's see if he can get off of it.
Get off
He's
that piece of
working.
the
All
mini-bot.
right, we got some movement from him now.
Rival.
Oh, there we go. We've got the last 30 seconds
Oh.
of this encore coming up, and that's a beautiful hit from Rival.
This match might be going the full 4 minutes.
It looks like it might.
BattleBorne still trying to hang on in there. Rival. Little
Looks like he's
driving
just not
issues.
able to get enough traction to actually move him around. That's a really difficult position to be in when you're a wedge. Brett's getting
10
involved.
seconds left. Couple more shots. 6,
Oh.
5,
4,
4, 3, 2, 1.
And that's the end.
That is the match.